It's a cicada. I think he's injured. But I wanted to show him to you. I think he's injured. Or he's molting or whatever they call it. I don't know. Where they come out of their shell. It's really weird. I'm going to take him over here and put him somewhere where he can have some privacy. And then I'm going to show you something else. What's the matter, little guy? Yeah, he's molting. Ooh, whatever you call it. I'm trying to set you up right, dude. Poor little guy. I'm sorry. Bless his heart. These little guys, they get up on my rose bushes and they leave their shells behind. The cicada shells. That's what I wanted to show you.